Hello there, welcome back to Frank's Workstation. In this video, I'll be explaining what this device is, what is inside it, how to mount it, how to connect it to your router, and to configure it using a computer. If you're looking to extend your Wi-Fi over a long distance, especially outdoors, this device might be exactly what you need. Let's get into it. This device is the TP-Link Omada AC1200 Outdoor Access Point, also known as the EAP225-Outdoor. It is a professional wireless access point designed to provide strong and stable Wi-Fi coverage, both indoors and outdoors. Unlike regular home routers, this device is built for long-range performance, multiple users, and harsh outdoor conditions like rain, dust, and heat. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi, meaning it works on both 2.4 GHz for long range and 5 GHz for faster speed. This makes it ideal for schools, hotels, offices, compounds, farms, cafes, and outdoor environments. Inside this access point, there are several important components working together. First, it has high-power internal antennas, which allow it to broadcast Wi-Fi over long distances. These antennas are designed to cover wide outdoor areas without losing signal strength. Second, it contains a gigabit Ethernet network interface, which allows fast wired connection from your router or network switch. Third, it has a weather-sealed casing, meaning the electronics inside are protected against water, dust, and sunlight. Inside the box, you'll also find 1. A PoE adapter, power over Ethernet. 2. A mounting kit for wall or pole installation. 3. Screws and brackets. 4. And installation documentation. This device does not need a power socket near it because power and data are supplied through a single Ethernet cable. Mounting this access point is very straightforward. First, decide where you want to install it. For best performance, choose a high position, such as a wall, pole, or mast, with a clear line of sight to the area you want to cover. Next, use the mounting bracket provided in the box. You can mount it on a wall using screws, or on a pole using the metal clamps. Make sure the device is mounted upright, with the antennas pointing upward. This ensures proper signal direction and maximum coverage. Also, avoid placing it directly behind metal objects, or very close to thick concrete walls, as these can block Wi-Fi signals. Once mounted firmly, run a network cable from the device to your router or network point. To connect this device to your router, you'll use Power over Ethernet, also called PoE. First, plug one Ethernet cable from the access point into the PoE port on the PoE adapter. Then, connect another Ethernet cable from the LAN port on the PoE adapter to your router or network switch. Next, plug the PoE adapter into a power source. Once powered, the device will turn on automatically. To configure it, you can use the Omada mobile app or log in through a web browser using its IP address. From there, you can set your Wi-Fi name and password, choose frequency bands, control users, and manage network performance. When the device is on, search for the Wi-Fi signal on your computer, then connect. After successful connection, type in tplinkip.net on your browser address bar. Enter the username and password and click Login. When you are in, create your new account by entering a new username and password, then click Next. I choose AP mode because I am connecting it to Newark with Ethernet cable. This is where you set the name of device and the password. Any name you set is what people will see wirelessly. After successful configuration, the device will reset to your new information. You need to connect to the device again with the new information. From there, you can set your Wi-Fi name and password, choose frequency bands, control users, and manage network performance. In summary, this device is a powerful outdoor Wi-Fi access point designed for long-range, stable internet coverage. It is ideal if you want strong Wi-Fi outdoors, reliable performance for many users, and professional-level network control. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.